carousel drum. The first line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And you repeat 3 times. Now let's try it on the drum using the speed of 100. Ready? Let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? This is the end of today's class. Please remember to like and subscribe. Check us on our Facebook and TikTok page. We go by the name of Mandarin Chinese School. I hope you enjoyed my class. See you next time. Goodbye.